In September 2025, Albania made global headlines after appointing an artificial intelligence system named Diela to oversee government procurement and public spending. Introduced by Prime Minister Rama, Diela became the world's first AI system to hold a ministerial-level government role. Unlike a traditional politician, Diela is a digital AI assistant developed to monitor public tenders, track contracts, and reduce corruption by creating transparent digital records. The Albanian government claimed the system could remove human bias, political influence, and manipulation from procurement decisions. Diela even addressed the Albanian parliament through video, telling lawmakers, "I'm not here to replace people, but to help them." The event quickly sparked worldwide debate about the future of AI in government. Supporters praised Albania's bold move, arguing that AI systems can process data objectively and help fight corruption more efficiently than humans. Critics, however, raised serious concerns about accountability and democracy. Experts questioned who would be responsible if the AI made a wrong or harmful decision, warning about possible accountability gaps in AI governance. The experiment also triggered controversy after reports emerged that an Albanian actress claimed her face and voice were used for Diela without proper consent. Whether seen as innovation or a risky political experiment, Albania's Diela project represents a major moment in the growing relationship between artificial intelligence and government. It has raised an important global question: can machines help protect public ethics better than humans themselves?